All right, so now we're going to answer part B here. It says Cleo wants to send a message to Amy using the least number of other coordinators. Write in order the number of coordinators Cleo must use to send this message to Amy. All right, so we know that we're beginning with Cleo and we need to get to Amy using the least amount of people possible. Now, I think the silly way to go about this is to work forwards, meaning starting with Cleo and trying to go to Amy. Because if you do that, you're going to go, all right, Cleo can send a message to D or E, and then you're going to have to think, all right, what's the closest way to do it? A better way is to say, all right, let's look at Amy. Who can call Amy? Only one person can call Amy. The one person that can call Amy is Brian. So that must mean that Brian is here. Brian is the only person that can call Amy. So now, when I'm going back to Cleo, and I say, all right, Cleo can either call D or E, well, can D or E, can either of these people call Brian? Well, D cannot call Brian, E can call Brian. So that must mean that C should call E, and then E can call B, and then B can call Amy. All right, so that means Cleo should call Ellie. So we're saying Cleo's phoning Ellie, Ellie's phoning Brian, Brian's phoning Amy. So Cleo, Ellie, Brian, Amy. The correct answer was Cleo, Ellie, Brian, Amy. So that's how you do it. So just make sure you think these through logically, see if you can work backwards. Just make sure you're doing things like that. This is a question that I imagine some people probably waste a bit of time on.